Remove any dust and debris from the repair area with a clean cloth. Abrade with P60 sandpaper. Allow a 50mm apron all around. Wipe surface again with acetone to ensure the area is fully cleaned. Measure the area to be repaired, allowing a 50mm apron and a 50mm overlap of the fiberglass mat. Lay out the fiberglass mats on a clean surface. Using a craft knife, carefully measure and cut the 2 layers of fiberglass to be applied. For most repairs of this nature, a 450g mat will be suitable. The amount of resin needed depends on an area in which the fiberglass is used. Allow 1 litre of resin for every 1 square metre of fiberglass mat used. Using a calibrated beaker, measure the amount of resin needed. For this repair, half a litre or 500ml of resin is required for the 2 layers of fiberglass. Transfer the resin to a paper mixing cup. Add catalyst at a rate of 2%. This will give a working time of 15 to 20 minutes at 15 degrees C. For half a litre of resin needed in this repair, add 10 cc of catalyst from the catalyst dispenser and mix thoroughly. With a suitably sized brush, apply a liberal coating of resin to the area to be repaired. Place the first layer of fiberglass mat onto the resin and apply more resin as needed to make sure the fiberglass mat is fully wet out. Remove any air bubbles and consolidate the resin and fiberglass mat layer by rolling with an aluminium paddle roller. Apply the second layer of fiberglass mat on top of the still wet first layer. Apply more resin to the second layer to fully wet out the fiberglass, and again remove any air bubbles with the paddle roller. Allow to harden for 4 hours. Remove any high spots with P60 sandpaper and then clean with acetone. To buy any of our products, visit our website at fiberglassdirect.co.uk.